Hey y'all, it's Cole at Fixit Tulsa. We're back here at 5336. Today we're going to look at the outside and check out the inside. Our guys have come in, we've redone the siding, we've taken out all the old windows, put in new windows, new doors. For the homeowner, we removed the 3 dormers so they were able to get a new roof on there. Let's go check out the inside now. Okay, so we're on the inside now. Last time you saw the guys, they were removing all the old walls off, doing a demo. This used to be a living room. That used to be a living room. Completely taken out this wall now. Took out that hallway, took out that other living room, made it one big open space. We're kind of going into the kitchen now. Took out all the cabinets for them. We framed in this new office room for them. Continue to gut this whole area back here. It's gonna be a bathroom back there, little mud room, washroom, laundry room as well. This is where that new office is gonna be. Put in the new windows for them, new windows throughout the entire house. Yep, the sheetrockers are starting now, getting everything put up. Put a new sliding door back there. Framed in this new fireplace area as well. This is the pre-existing fireplace. We came in, took out all the old paneling, gonna frame this in, be able to put a nice TV right here. Pretty sweet living room area. Hey y'all, we're back outside here. Just wanted to show y'all the new sliding door we put out here. Placed all this wood rot, got our new windows in, redid the trim, new trim. Back over here, you can see that siding we put in, also put in that new window. You can see the new roof that went up. Everything's starting to come together. I'm really happy with our progress so far, so I'm looking forward to the end result. Full disclosure, we are not the lead builder on these projects. We come in and fill the gaps that contractors and homeowners have trouble finding people for. We're gonna do your renovations, your demo, we're gonna take out walls, we're going to do all the little work, whether it's windows, siding, taking off old dormers, filling in concrete patches, taking out old concrete, helping the plumbers here and there. That's where we come in. So give us a call at 918-760-4464.